Dear customer, today we want to share with you our QLQ new East model co-forming machine. And you can check now our technicians are installing the machines one by one. Some already are finished, and we will send the inspection report for the client confirmation before shipment. This is the outlook of our new machines, and this is the style wheel. Compared with the old co-forming machine, the new one has a bit no free advantages. Firstly, we use stainless steel electricity bolts to replace painting iron electricity bolts, because the both sides of the bolts is warming part, and the temperature is very high. If you use painting iron electricity bolts, after using half year or 1 year, the paint will be removed, and the machine will become very ugly. Secondly, we changed the small glass door to this big glass door with aluminum frame, so the technician can check the center core inside the machine easily and can connect the new row center core in advance. For the old model machine with a small glass door, the technician can just check the center core easily, so the technician usually connect the new center core after the old center core totally be used up. It will waste about half an hour to connect the new center core. Our new model machine can solve this problem well. Thirdly, we added one sensor on the monofilament bobbins for our new model co-forming machine. When the monofilament is used up, if there are only about dozens of meters monofilament, this sensor will alarm. We have settings both sides, you can check. The left side also setting the same. You can check. The monofilament connected in this way, and if have some problem, then the sensor will alarm. Okay, if you want to know more detail about this new model co-forming machine, please feel free to contact with us. Thank you very much.